Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we installed Chart.js in our Angular application, and after this we wrote the code to show a sample chart on our dashboard. And in today's video, we will write the code to construct the data for our workout chart, and then we will show this workout chart on the dashboard. So let's get started. So in our Angular application, we need to open dashboard.component.ts, and in this component, we will go to the constructor. And as you know, we need to show the dates in our charts, and to format the date, we need date pipe. So in the constructor, we need to write the code to inject the date pipe. And to do this, we will write private and we will name this as date pipe, and after this we will write date pipe and we will import it from angular/common. And after this we need to add this date pipe in the providers array. So after the styles URL we will write providers, and in this array we will mention date pipe. And after this we will go to a method create line chart, and in this method, as you can see, we are using workout ctx and we are showing a bar chart. And now we need to update this chart to show the workout data. And first of all, we need to update the type and we will replace this bar with line. And after this, in the data, we need to update the labels. And in our workout chart for the labels, we need to show the dates. And to do this, first of all, we will remove this array. And after this, to get the dates, we will use this dot workout variable. And after this, we will apply map. And in this, let's name the single workout as data. And after this, from this data, we need to get the date, and the type of this will be any. And after this, we will write an arrow function. And in this, we need to format our date, and to do this, we will use date pipe. And after this, we will call transform method. And in the params of this method, we need to pass the value and the format. And for the value, we will pass data.date, and then we will pass the format as month and day. And with this, our code for the labels is completed. And now we need to pass the dataset. And in the dataset, we need to pass the two objects. And to pass the two objects, let's duplicate the first object and let's paste it here. And for the first dataset, we will show the calories burnt, and in the second dataset we will show the durations. So first of all, we will set up the first dataset, and for the label of our first dataset we will write calories burned. And after this, we will remove this array from the data, and here we will write the code to get the calories burned from our workouts variable. And to do this, we will write this dot workouts, and then we will call map. And in this map, for the single workout, we will name this as data, and then we will mention calories burnt of type any. And after this, we will write arrow function, and in this, because we need the calories burnt, so we will write data dot calories burnt. And after this, let's fix the spellings. And with this, the data for the calories burned dataset is completed. Now we need to give some properties for the styling, and for the fill we will give this as false, and for border width we will give 2, and then we will give background color and border color. And after this, let's go to the second dataset and we will update the label and we will write this as duration. And after this, we need to pass the data and we will replace this array with this dot workouts dot map method. And in this map method, we will name this as data and we will mention duration. And then we will write arrow function. And in this, to get the durations, we will write data dot duration. And at the end, we will mention the same styling properties here as well. And with this, our both datasets are completed for the workout chart. And after this, we need to create a method to call this create line chart method on any change, so we can update the data in our charts. And to do this, we will use ng after view init method, and in the body of this method we will write if condition. And in this if condition, we need to check workouts and activities variables. And to do this, we will write this dot workouts, and after this we will write an operator. and then we will mention this dot activities, and if both of these are true, then we will call this create line chart method, and to do this we will write this dot create line chart. And with this our code is completed to show the workout chart. And now let's save this file and let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our workout chart. And in the browser we will click on our dashboard menu, and as you can see we got redirected to the dashboard, and on the dashboard we got a chart for the workouts, and in this chart we are showing the dates as labels on the bottom. And after this, for the first dataset we are showing the calories burned in the green color, and as you can see for the date 9 of month 8 we are getting the calories as 300. And after this, for the second dataset we are showing the duration, and as you can see for the date 9 of 8th month we are getting the duration as 30. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will write the code to build and show the activities chart on the dashboard.